Phobia Factor with Koheli.
ভয় মানুষ সবকিছুতেই পায়, be it cars, be it the object around, or maybe a moving object that you need to travel. এরকমই কিছু feeling one can experience when we talk about escalophobia, অর্থাৎ the fear of escalators. It is a type of specific phobia. People with this fear don't just dislike or feel uncomfortable around elevators. They experience symptoms of intense fear and distress that can make it difficult to function. আমরা যখন escalophobiaর কথা বলি, there are certain other phobias that might be related and might be included in this specific phobia. যেমন bathmophobia অর্থাৎ fear of stairs, কিংবা climacophobia অর্থাৎ fear of climbing, কিংবা হতে পারে acrophobia which is associated with heights, অথবা elengophobia অর্থাৎ fear of vertigo is another possible culprit. সেখানেই a specific phobia is all about one experiencing while traveling through the escalator. Escalator সব জায়গায় রয়েছে, be it the malls, be it in certain corporate offices or certain subways. কিছু physical causes রয়েছে that might be felt by the one who suffers from this specific phobia. হতে পারে one is experiencing precipitation, one is experiencing nausea, one is experiencing vertigo for a matter of fact, or certain nerve issue, because it is very much nerve-wracking for them when it comes to this specific phobia. And অনেক সময় হয়ে থাকে when they have actually experienced certain negative aspect associated with this phobia. The negative experience need not have happened to the patient. If one has witnessed a fall in person or even on TV, or if a parent or close relative had the same fear, one might also be likely to develop this kind of phobia, which is escalophobia. Speaking about the treatment for the same phobia, one can keep in mind about CBT, অর্থাৎ cognitive behavioral therapy, কিংবা exposure therapy, কিংবা virtual exposure therapy. That is how one can really get rid of this specific phobia, which is escalophobia. This particularly persists in among the kids. Kids up till the age of 10 might experience this specific kind of phobia, though it might fade with growing age. Now, asking about you, do you have this specific kind of phobia? Or it's just that you have coped up with it?